There are usually three types of service life for electronic Jacquard machines. A. The claimed service life of the electronic Jacquard machine manufacturer. B. Actual service life. C. The expected service life of the weaving factory. In one of the following situations, the actual service life of electronic Jacquard machines is often shorter than the claimed service life of electronic Jacquard machine manufacturers. A1. The electronic Jacquard machine manufacturer did not provide a list of vulnerable parts and the service life of each vulnerable part in the list. A2. The electronic Jacquard machine manufacturer did not provide a technical manual for the maintenance and upkeep of the electronic Jacquard machine. For example, there is no range provided for checking and adjusting the predetermined value of the height of the lifting knife. A3. After installation and debugging, the electronic Jacquard machine manufacturer did not provide corresponding tools for checking and adjusting the height of the lifting knife, and the tool for measuring the height of the lifting knife was accurate to 0.1 millimeters. That is to say, after installation and debugging, the electronic Jacquard machine has been completed. Synchronization with the loom. The load of the electronic Jacquard machine has been fixed within a certain range. Completed harness. Reading. Fabric or textile has been fixed within a certain range, etc. The working speed and working temperature are also fixed within a certain range, etc. Regarding work speed. For details, please watch the video. Different working speeds require different lifting heights. Regarding working temperature. For more details, please watch the video. The effective temperature on the height of the lifting knife of electronic Jacquard machine. A4. As the most expensive and vulnerable modules in electronic Jacquard machines. Modules typically produced in China have a service life of 3 years. Cam structure, similar to Staubli, or 2 years. Sprocket structure, similar to S and S series. When the speed of the electronic Jacquard machine is below 300 rpm, it may be longer. Different suppliers and batches of modules have slightly different requirements for the height of the lifting knife. Even for the same module supplier, different batches of modules have different requirements for the height of the lifting knife. For example, in China, modules produced in summer are slightly different from those produced in winter. The weaving factory hopes to replace the same module supplier and same batch of modules every 2 or 3 years. Otherwise, redetermine the predetermined value of the height of the lifting knife and readjust the height of the lifting knife. The expected service life of a weaving factory is usually longer than the claimed service life of the electronic Jacquard machine manufacturer and actual service life of an electronic Jacquard machine. C1. Financially, this service life is defined based on depreciation. C2. Even if the residual value of the electronic Jacquard machine is 0 in terms of finance, it still has practical value. Just like computers, Discarded computers may still have usable memory or hard drives. Essentially, it depends on the judgment of the weaving factory, whether they are willing to bear the cost of lead electronic jacquard machine ray weaving. If the electronic jacquard machine is not rewoven, the losses incurred include D1. Visible losses, such as hardness and reading. The cost is usually much higher than electronic jacquard machine be declared worthless. D2. Invisible losses, such as weaving factories may not be able to complete weaving orders on time. Weaving factories may lose customers, etc. Just like assembling a computer, engineers with a certain level of technical expertise can choose motherboards, bus, memory, hard drives, displays, etc. according to customer needs. In addition, there are also installation of operating systems, installation of required application software, etc. Similarly, if the electronic jacquard machine is to be rewoven, the cost to be borne is E1. Visible costs, such as better knife lifting, surface treated modules, etc. E2. Invisible expenses, such as engineers with a certain level of technical expertise. In fact, for weaving factories, invisible costs can be estimated. For example, regardless of whether the weaving equipment is faulty, the weaving factory needs to pay for maintenance and upkeep expenses. Due to the relatively fixed usage environment and technical requirements of weaving factories within a certain range, such as working temperature, working speed, load of electronic jacquard machines, etc. Weaving factories prefer to use better vulnerable parts, such as surface-treated lifting knives, modules, etc. Weaving factories are more likely to assemble better electronic jacquard machines that are suitable for their own weaving. Please let us know if you have any doubts during the specific operation process. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.